In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header in Mailchimp. If you're working on an email campaign and you don't want that default header section with a logo or placeholder image at the top, removing it is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along in your own Mailchimp account. First, open the campaign you're working on in Mailchimp and head into the campaign builder. Once you're there, look for the content section. This is where you control what actually appears in your email. Go ahead and click on Edit Design. This will open the email editor where all of your content blocks are laid out. Next, find the header block in your layout. This is usually at the very top of your email and often contains a logo or a placeholder image. Move your cursor over that header area. When you hover over it, you should see a small menu bar appear, usually along the top edge of that block. On that menu bar, look for the trash icon. This is the delete button for that specific block. Click on the trash icon to remove the header block from your design. Don't worry, Mailchimp won't delete it without checking with you first. After you click the trash icon, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the block. This is just a safeguard so you don't accidentally remove something important. If you're certain you no longer want that header, click Delete in the pop-up window. The header block should disappear from your layout right away. Once the header is removed and you're happy with how your email looks, you'll want to save your changes. In the editor, look for the option that says either Save and Close or Save and Exit. Click one of those to make sure your updated design is stored in the campaign. At this point, your email should no longer have the header section, and you can continue customizing the rest of your content. That's all there is to it. Edit the design, hover over the header, delete it, confirm, and then save your changes.